tile. 5-9. Iris Lu. 5. Bamboo. Mekong. Plus. Tasty coconut is good. Good extra excellent. The guide was kind and explained everything well, so I had a pleasant trip. Che, hard sell. The trip was not boring and was very fulfilling. I was worried that it would be too rushed, but I think the time was well managed with plenty of time to spare. I was also worried that I would return to Ho Chi Minh too late, but it was great because I was able to tour appropriately and take breaks in between. And I was also glad that I returned to Ho Chi Minh at the right time. I saw everything I wanted to see and had just the right amount of breaks in between, which was nice. 1. Stephen. Tilda. This tour was very comfortable and I had a great time. Thank you very much. I was able to visit tourist spots that I would not have been able to visit on my own, and I am grateful that the guide explained things clearly and was so kind. I will definitely use your services again when I go to Vietnam or overseas again. Thank you very much. LB operator, Kevin. Kevin. Line. Lenny, 1. Muinawa Mekong Kong Tuachum Komin na Takapumon ni Mosiko Kakianun Mekong Kong Ichom Tapu Tami Taralket Gatas Mekong Kong Tuarul Sinchang Kate Wayasayo. Hong Kuka Kai Turo Purai Pete to a Sinchang en Nunte, to a Tongyil Lal Kai Tanimi Hotel Akachi Pikapachu Siko, Kanun Kumata Chincharan Selmiang Chal Hachus Sisayo. Pumoni mi betan munwa atasaku kumasian nunchi qualian chiel muntarul mani hasian nunte, kuchiel muntarate asado kaituni mi chasea kasil mungachusia sapumoni mi meu mancho kasini real tuayasum nata. Jamanun hong kuka kai takakik tamune salcha kominan nunte, kukomini musak halmong kum qualiti kapochong wentuaya taco sankakam nata. Chungmal chuchanam nata.